Start like a man.
This is a little. Okay, it's ready.
Hi.
All right, it's on you, Lady Judge.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Morning. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head coverings unless they represent religious purpose. If you have a head covering on now and it does not represent religious purpose, please remove it now. No eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions and mute your devices. Court is in session.
Good morning, Judge.
Your Honor, would you like me to repeat that in Spanish? I don't know if there's anyone listening who speaks
So I
Spanish.
don't think it's here yet.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, though.
Yeah.
All right. Good morning, everyone. I'm gonna do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm gonna try to get you in the order that you came in. I need everybody to mute their devices until I call your name, please. Dominique Gordon, did you see her file? All right, this is the state of Michigan versus Dominique Gordon, case number SX 4691149, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Otis Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Now,
Hello. I'm sorry. Did you say Dominique Gordon?
yes, Miss Gordon, you need to come into the frame. I need to see you. Miss Gordon, I need to come into the frame, please.
Can you?
Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Dominique Gordon.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a show cause. Mr. Berry, for purposes of arraignment,
Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Gordon has got a limited access 276 and a failure to use turn signal that I'll allow her to be heard on. Ms. Gordon, Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Thank you.
Welcome. We'll pass the matter.
Judge, you wanted Nancy Gonzalez license, correct?
Yeah, and Michael Gower.
Michael Gowan.
Yes, here's Gower. This is the city of Detroit versus Michael Aaron Gower, case number SP 9259742. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. May it please the honorable court, Sherika Harris, P 72832, on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name.
Michael Gower.
Good morning to you, Mr. Gower. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Purposes of arraignment, counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Gower, well, let's see if we need to do anything. Can I get probation down here for Alexis O'Neill, please?
Okay.
All right, give me 1 second. I'm gonna check that license. What is it?
It's valid.
All right, Mr. Gower, I'm gonna dismiss your case now for providing valid documentation. You have a valid driver's license. I'll waive the warrant fee. You'll pay the reinstatement fee. It's $45. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of, have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay, thank you, sir.
Nancy's is valid.
This is the city of Detroit versus Lakeisha Denise Love, case number SP 1910643, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Love, please state your name for the record.
Lakeisha Denise Love.
Good morning to you, Ms. Love. Today is the date and time. It is set for a pre-trial. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Alexis O'Neill, the probation officer, sent an email update.
Okay, and give me an update on Arthur Lane as well.
Arthur
please.
Lane, okay.
Are you ready on anyone, Mr. Taylor? Attorney Jack Kramer, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
I'm well. Who is your client?
Amit Gupta, Gupta. Should be on here somewhere, Judge.
I think I did let that individual in.
How much do you think this house is? South Beach has some crazy houses once you get off.
Somebody's got to turn their background off, please.
Square feet. 4 acres.
And Mr. Lowe, I think that's your background. Good morning to you. On the iPhone 7, can you unmute yourself, start your camera? iPhone 7, and state your name, please. You have to start your camera. What's your name, please?
My name is Amit K. Gupta.
There's your client. Are you ready, Mr. Kramer?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sorry about the delay.
All right, good morning to you. This is the City of Detroit versus Amitabh Gupta, case number 05-24901. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jack Kramer, P77490 with Mr. Gupta.
All right, Mr. Gupta, good morning to you. State your name, please.
Hello, my name, Your Honor, is Amit Kumar Gupta.
All right, day is date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant for purposes of arraignment, Counselor.
Your Honor, waive formal reading and have him stand mute for arraignment purposes.
All right, I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a no, we're not going to give him a $0 bond. We're going to give him a $500 personal bond. There are going to be some conditions placed on you, Mr. Gupta. I am going to have you start testing 1 time per week.
Your Honor, I'm sorry to interrupt the court. If I may briefly, just to let you know, Judge, as you can see, this is a very old case. It's been in warrant status for several years, going back to 2004. Mr. Gupta has hired me to help get this cleared up. He's currently living overseas. So I just want to let the court know, number one, it's about 22 years old. Number two, he's not residing in this country anymore with no intention to return, Your Honor. So just wanted the court to be aware of that before the court imposed bond conditions, Your Honor.
All right, so I don't think there's any way we can supervise this. What country are you in, sir?
Sir, I'm in Scotland right now.
And you have no plans on returning to the United States?
Not in the immediate future, no.
All right. All right, we'll set a trial date for the July the 10th, 2026 at 9 a.m.
Got it.
All right, trial date, July the 10th, 2026, 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Counselor, have a very good rest of your day. And best
Thank you,
of luck
Judge.
to you.
Nice to see you.
You as well.
Take care. Thanks. Amit, you're good to go. I'll call you.
Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gordon. Ms. Gordon, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
That's what you want, Ms. Gordon?
Yes.
Come back on July the 10th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. This is the City of Detroit versus Montag Lamar Lloyd II, case number SP 1825941, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1830853, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 186-83841. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Montag Lamar Lloyd.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. For purposes of arraignment, Counselor.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter not guilty plea in your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lloyd, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter.
Your Honor?
Yes.
There's a Lloyd defendant at both at 8:45 and at 9 a.m. Those are the only Lloyds I have.
Montag Lloyd is at 8:30 in Raymond. I mean, at Raymond on the bench warrant. You ready? He's only got unregistered, untitled.
Yes, I see.
2 times and no insurance misdemeanor 3 times.
Got it.
He owes an
Thank you.
expired plate. We'll let him give you that expired plate. Let's go back on the record with Montag Lloyd. We'll let him be heard on the expired plate as well. SP 186-83824. I mean, It's right, that SP 186-83842. That's expired, but we'll allow him to be heard on that as well.
Thank you.
Let's pass. You're welcome. Let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Love. Ms. Love, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a trial date.
All right, that's what you want, Ms. Love? Is Ms. Love there?
Apologies,
So,
it's muted. Yes, that's what I want, Judge.
all right. Come back, Ms. Love, on the 10th of July at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the city of Detroit versus Hélène Marie G. Case number SP 1907031, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Alon
G, I'm sorry.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Will give your client a $0 bond. Ms. G, she has a disregarding a red signal as well. I'll allow her to be heard on that. Ms. G, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter.
Excuse me.
Mr. Taylor, are you ready on anyone?
Yes, I'm ready on everyone, Your Honor. Alexander Gonzalez, Your Honor, we're seeking a bench trial date, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Alexander Gonzalez, case number V 141-37126. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, P57166, appearing on behalf of Alexander Gonzalez. Mr. Gonzalez, would you introduce yourself, please?
Yes. Mr. Alexander Gonzalez, good morning to you. Can you state your name, please? I don't know if he's here.
I talked to him, Your Honor. Mr. Gonzalez.
Breakout room.
Oh, yeah. What room did you put him in? I'll go get him, Your Honor. Yeah.
He's in 4 and the other one's 5 and 6.
Okay.
He's out now.
Okay. All right. Very well.
State your name for the record, please.
Are you talking to me, Your Honor?
Alexander Gonzalez.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I was just getting back into the room. Alexander Gonzalez.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Is my understanding you want a trial date?
Yes.
All right, that'll be July the 13th, 2026 at 9 a.m.
Your Honor, can I check that, please? Just a second, please.
You may.
You said July 10th.
July 13th.
Oh, I'm sorry. That's not a good date. You know,
Well, what is a good date? Excuse me. What happened?
Take it
Mr.
to trial.
Taylor. No, not yet. Mr. Taylor.
Okay.
I think he fell off. All right, let's pass it. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. G. Ms. G, is my understanding you want a trial date?
Yes.
All right, the trial date is going to be July 13th at
Your Honor.
9 a.m. If it's
Your Honor,
nothing further.
Your Honor.
Hold on. If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good rest of your day.
Can you
Best of
repeat the
luck.
date?
July 13th.
Okay.
All right.
I'm sorry. Yeah,
Go ahead, Mr.
that works, Your Honor. That's fine. That's fine. I'll make it work.
Back on the record with Mr. Gonzalez. Mr. Gonzalez, your trial date is going to be July 13th at 9 a.m., okay?
That'll work.
All right. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you as well.
And Mr.
Thank
Kemp
you.
is ready too, Your Honor. He wants a trial date.
This is the city of Detroit. This is the city of Detroit versus, what happened to Dominique Gordon? Dominique Gordon requested an attorney. What did we say we were gonna do with Dominique Gordon? Oh, I
I
see.
think she spoke with Mr. Berry.
I see what's going on. I see what's going on. Good morning to you.
Good morning, that's Judge Perkins.
Good morning to you. How you doing?
Your Honor.
All right, what is your name?
My name is Attorney Max Rothbard, new with the office.
Repart?
Rothbard.
Rothbart?
Rothbard, like toad. Rothbard.
Rothbart, okay. Good morning to you.
Yeah.
Welcome to,
It's just because her niece is on the Good morning, how are you? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. So which one? All right, great. Elwood hasn't called me, so I'm checking. I think I didn't get anything. He's trying to do. Thank you.
okay. This is gonna be that Rubinoff Glimp, you didn't, that's what, you had the wrong thing.
I had you on.
Yeah,
Okay, let me know what you need. Judge.
I need this one.
Okay.
City of Detroit versus Rubinoff Valentino Glimp, case number ST 189-32641. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Edward Taylor appearing on behalf of Mr. Gillum. Yeah, Mr. Gillum, would you introduce yourself, please?
Yeah, Rubinoff Glimp.
Glimp. Your Honor, we
Good morning.
see the bench trial.
Good morning.
Yeah, sorry.
Go ahead, Counselor.
Is it possible for we can do the 14th? This will be my 5th one, but if I have to, I can do it on the 13th.
Thank you.
July the 14th, Mr. Glimp, trial date, okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day.
You too,
And
Your
best
Honor.
of luck to you.
Thank you.
And I have a Tony Geiger trial date, Your Honor.
All right, officer is here.
Okay, I need to talk to the people then, okay.
Lane.
That's the update from the probation officer, and this is just a,
And what about O'Neill?
O'Neill, I thought I gave you O'Neill. O'Neill has an update.
All right, let's find out what about our testing. Who's that?
Boy, a probation officer. She's
Find
a
out,
newer-
find out what about our testing.
That's Lane.
All right.
So what do you want?
Testing on,
Okay.
what kind of testing,
Testing is on.
Good morning, Judge. This is Detective Greeno.
good morning to you, Detective. I was gonna put you in breakout room 3. I think that, were you here on,
Terry Larkin for littering, dumping.
yes. Okay, I wanna put you in the breakout room.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
McCartney. Vanessa McCartney. All right, everyone else is scheduled for trial. I think everyone else is scheduled for trial. No, let's see. Dantes Green.
Here.
Morning to you, sir.
Good morning, sir.
City of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Dantes Green, case number SP 11683801, SP 1469286, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3. SP 904067, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 431668, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 4338261, SP 858606, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 858671. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Green, please state your name.
Dantes Green.
Good morning
Your
to you,
Honor,
Mr. Green.
Morning.
Was an attorney requested?
No, Ms. Harris, no attorney. Purpose of, he's got these on warrant status. Purposes of arraignment.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. You have your ink pen ready, Ms. Harris?
Ready?
License improper. Drove while license suspended. Improper plate. No insurance misdemeanor. Unregistered, untitled. No insurance misdemeanor. License improper. Drove while license suspended. Improper plates. No ops. Unregistered, untitled. And no insurance misdemeanor. Mr. Green, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. Officer Nelson.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you today?
Good morning to you. I don't see who's your defendant.
Guy, GUI.
Oh, I see. I see. All right.
Also, Judge, I'm sorry, this Corporal Whitehead. I'm on the same person, DeAndre Guy as well.
You can get that going. All right. Let me wait on an attorney.
Your Honor, I do have to sign into 220 real quick.
Okay.
Good morning, Mr.
Judge, this is Corporal Whitehead. I have to sign into 4 of the courtrooms too. I just want to make sure I checked in yours first.
All right, we're gonna get going with Guy soon, though, but you can get back as soon as you can, please.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Morning on the iPhone, ma'am.
Good
What is your
morning.
name?
Tony Geiger.
Tony Geiger.
Yes, sir.
That's your client, Mr.
Taylor.
That's your client, Mr. Taylor. Cortez.
Hey, how you doing, sir? Sorry about being late. They gave me another Zoom ID. Sorry
Good
about
morning.
that.
Good morning to you, sir. What
Good
is your
morning.
full name?
Cortez Good and Gray. My middle initial is well, my middle name is Javier.
Good and Gray. Okay. Good morning to you, Mr. Good and Gray.
Hey, good morning, sir.
All right.
Your Honor, just a question.
Yes.
It's in room 2. Is that right?
I don't know. No. I don't know. I don't know. Go in. I don't know.
I thought Mr. Okay.
I
Never
don't know
mind.
how you got in there. Are you on that Montag, Lloyd?
I'm not.
So how did you get in room 2?
I was trying to go to see the people, Your Honor. I was trying to go to the prosecutor for Ms. Geiger.
4, please.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
Jesus. Oh man. Alexis Legato, do you have an attorney, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, who's your attorney?
He said he will be here around 9:30.
Okay. Who's your attorney? What's the person's name?
Reese,
Carpenter?
I believe so.
Call him.
All right.
No, I'm talking to the staff, please. And good morning to you.
You want me to call him or?
No, you can, we'll call him. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Dantes Green. Mr. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting the appointment of counsel.
Is that what you want, Mr. Green?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set a pretrial, Mr. Green, for July the 9th, 2026 at 8:30. That date is set so that that officer has an opportunity to contact you. If you don't hear from that officer by that date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay.
I just need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney.
You said a call from an officer or attorney, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry if I said that wrong, attorney.
Okay.
All right, if you don't hear from that attorney then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on that date. If there's nothing further, sir, I do wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. You too.
You're welcome. Eric Leonard.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes.
Can we do O'Neill, just a review?
Oh, not yet. I'm
Okay.
waiting on the.
Very well. All right. I got to come back, Your Honor. They calling me for another courtroom. I'll be back.
Where's that? Daryl Goodman here.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Daryl Brian Goodman. Case number SP 140084111. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Goodman, please state your name for the record.
Daryl Bryan.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time that's set for a trial. Corporal Rule, can you put your name, badge, number, department on the record? Good morning to you.
Corporal Rule Badge 3896 Detroit Police.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Mr. Goodman, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you the updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, today is the date and time set for the trial. Join the room. We'll pass the matter.
Yeah, I need to go back to Yancey's room, Judge Yancey. Is that okay?
That's fine. I
Thank
think
you.
that I don't know. All right.
Thank you.
Okay. Let's go back on the record with Montai Lloyd. Mr. Lloyd, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, per the prosecutor, the matters are to be dismissed.
Okay. All right, Mr. Lloyd, I'm going to dismiss your cases per city attorney. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
You too. Thank you. Have a good one.
Usual. All right, City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Allison Grant. Case number SP 190155541. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Grant.
Allison Marlene Grant.
Good morning to you, Ms. Grant. Today is the
Good
date
morning.
and time, and it is set for a pretrial. Have you had an attorney appointed to you, ma'am?
I'm waiting on him right now.
And who is that?
His name is Derek Miller.
Oh, you hired your own attorney, correct?
Yes.
Pass the matter.
In here, this is a.
All right, she's got a problem. Mr. Barry, let's call, the city of Detroit. DeAndre Guy, I said in person. DeAndre Guy.
I'm here, Deandra Guy.
Deandra Guy, I told you to come in person. Did I not tell you that?
I'm sorry?
Did I not tell you to come in person?
No, I got a Zoom thing. It was scheduled for Zoom.
Well, no, I wrote on the file twice in person.
My lawyer even texted me also and told me that it was on Zoom, and the papers that I got in the mail said Zoom also.
What did I say the last time you were here?
The last time I was there, we switched it to Zoom. It originally was in person, but then it got switched to Zoom because it was my lawyer's request, and you agreed
Your
with it,
attorney.
Your Honor.
Who's your attorney?
His name is Matthew. Sorry, give me 1 second.
Read.
Sorry. Matthew Dupree, correct.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Cortez, Good and Gray. Case numbers SP 189-84951, SP 189-85321. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr.
Yeah.
Gray.
Cortez Javier Good and Gray.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a show cause. Mr. Berry, the purposes of arraignment.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Good and Gray, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. Mr. Berry, there is an additional failure to stop at a stop sign. I wouldn't have any issue with allowing Mr. Good and Gray to be heard on that. Mr. Good and Gray, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial with his license, please.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Join the room, we'll pass the matter.
Your Honor, we have one matter on docket and the failure to
And the
stop.
failure to stop at a stop sign.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Well. Mr. Leonard, Eric Leonard.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Your trial is not supposed to be till July the 6th. July the 6th.
Okay, Your Honor. It's in the card I'll send today.
All right, no, July the 6th, sir. Be safe. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, thank you. You too.
Good and Gray is valid, Mr. Berry. Thank you.
July the 6th.
No, sometimes you don't want it.
All right, let's call the City of Detroit versus Allison Grant, case number SP 19015541. Appearance for the record, please.
Derek Miller, appearing on behalf of Allison Grant, Judge.
Good morning to you, Mr. Miller. Good to see you.
Good morning to you, Judge. How are you?
Well, day is date and time, and it's set for a pre-trial. How it works here, I'm going to give you co-host abilities. I'll put you, if you want to pre-try the case now, you can, or you can pre-try the case on the date of trial. But I'll give you co-host abilities. Just don't let anybody in the room that are sitting in the waiting room. I can put your client in breakout room 5, and then the city attorney meets in breakout room 4.
I just need to speak to the city attorney, Judge.
All right, I'm going to put your client in breakout room 5. Miss Grant, your attorney's going to go do some things and speak with the city, see if you can get some things situated, and he's going to come see you. Just make sure if your client takes a deal, she's fully advised of her advice or rights. All right.
Thank you.
All right, we'll pass the matter. Where's Attorney Carpenter?
I didn't send him a message.
He came in here
Oh,
already,
he did, okay.
but he needs to get back in here.
I'll tell him to-
This is not right.
That's not the wrong file again.
This has the wrong cover on it.
Oh, okay.
That's somebody else. Great. Daryl Goodman.
Oh, they are scheduled. Okay. Okay.
Sean. His license, please. Mr. Carpenter,
Good morning, Your Honor.
good morning. Who are you ready on?
I'm ready. Well, I wanted to see, did Officer Palmer check in on Alexis Legato?
I don't think so, not yet.
Okay.
Just have
I am ready on both Arthur Lane and then Alexis Legato, depending on the cutoff time.
All right, let's get Arthur Lane out of here. City of Detroit. Call Officer Thomas in here, please. Hold on our line. City of Detroit versus Alexis Jean Legato, case number SP 187-82111. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Reese Carpenter, P number 88895 on behalf of Alexis Legato. Can you please state your full name for the record?
Good morning, Alexis Legato.
Good morning to you, Ms. Legato. Today is the date and time. It's set for a trial. Is there an Officer Palmer? Officer Palmer. Hearing no response, go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, we would be moving for dismissal as today is the day set in time for the trial and the officer has failed to appear.
All right, I'm going to dismiss the case. No officer. If it's nothing further, Ms. Legato, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. You as well.
All right.
This is Daryl Good. Suspended.
Suspended. Daryl Good. He's suspended?
Yes.
Oh. All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Arthur Raymond Lane Jr., case number SP 128, strike that, SP 1200116, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1207711, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1651595, counts 1, 2, and SB 165-15991 and Z8094471. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Reese Carpenter, P number 88895 on behalf of Arthur Lane. Can you please state your full name for the record?
Arthur Raymond Lane Jr.
Okay, good morning to you, sir. Officer Thomas, good morning to you. Can you put your name in your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Probation Officer Joseph Thomas.
All right. So I did get a note. Mr. Lane indicated to me off the record that he had been testing in another county or another jurisdiction, and I wanted to make sure that I'm not trying to be overburdensome, and if he's being tested, then that's fine. We wanted to make sure that that connection was being made with the with our probation department. Have you talked to Mr. Lane?
Your Honor, for today's purposes, I'm standing for Attorney Dennis Whitey. So Attorney Dennis Whitey has communicated with Arthur Lane.
I'm not speaking to you, Mr.
Carpenter.
Oh,
okay.
No, Your Honor, I didn't have a phone number for Mr. Lane.
Don't clean this room up. Why would y'all mess this room up like this?
Hey,
excuse me. I'm sorry.
Go ahead.
I just don't have a phone number for Mr. Lane. I had mailed a referral to his address that we had on file, but if he's testing elsewhere, I can look into that. I would just need to perhaps after the ending of this hearing, speak to Mr. Lane in a breakout room briefly, just so I can get his information.
Okay, what does Mr. Lane want to do, Mr. Carpenter?
Your Honor, we are asking for a bench trial date.
All right, is July is July the 13th good?
That works, Your Honor.
Yes, Your
Okay.
Honor, that works.
July 13th. Mr. Lane, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with our probation department. I want you to get things coordinated with the probation department. If we have any issues, I'm gonna up the ante on this bond. The bond is gonna be set. I don't know if we already set a bond at $500 personal. Let's do that now. $500 personal. No testing 1 time per week. No leaving the state without court's permission. No drinking during the pendency of this case. If there's any issue with the bond, then if there's a positive test, a missed test, or a diluted test, we're gonna up the ante on the bond, all right?
Yes, sir. And may I add, my scram is through Wayne County. I had to go to the county jail to get the scram device, so I am being monitored.
Speak to Mr. Thomas. That I'm sure he can follow up with all of that. And I just don't want to have to up the ante on this, okay?
Yes, sir. Understandable.
All right. Officer Thomas, join the breakout room and speak with Mr. Lane and coordinate that for us, please. And if there's nothing further, Mr. Lane, be safe and have a very good rest of your day. And your trial date is July the 13th, 2026 at 9 a.m.
Okay. Appreciate you, Your Honor.
All right.
Yep, thank you, Your Honor.
You want to join that room, Counselor?
I'll join that room.
6, I believe.
That's fine. You're fine.
All right, that'll conclude that.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Counselor Rupert.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Who's your client?
I am with the City of Detroit training.
Oh, yes. All right, just don't let anyone in the room when you see somebody in the waiting room, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did we get the probation department here on O'Neill?
Did you see the update that I gave you? Still want her to
I still want her to join in.
that was cool.
Oh, well, we have
I gave you another update, I think.
is this Mr. This is Mr.
Let me see.
Miss Alexis O'Neill.
I think that was for.
Yes.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
All right, I'm gonna I don't you were represented by Mr. Attorney.
Yep.
I think his representation really ended when you took this plea. So we don't. Yes, his attorney, his representation ended when you were sentenced. This is before the court now.
I don't remember that. I just talked to him.
I'll let him come back in, but we have an issue here. So I'll let him come back in, but
I don't know
I
what
don't,
it's about. Yeah.
okay, then, we'll find out.
Mhm.
Miss McCartney,
Sorry, I was having a problem unmuting the phone.
you're supposed to be here tomorrow, but you paid, so I don't know what.
I'm so sorry. My court dates got confused. There's another courtroom I'm supposed to be in right now too. I thought they were on the same day. It's tomorrow.
Tomorrow, I don't see that you, what were you supposed to do, community service? Did you do it?
I did it already. I'm tried to get a hold of James. This is for the review. Is that what this one is for, correct?
Tomorrow. That's tomorrow. So make sure you get a hold of him. Well, you should be on the list tomorrow. So if you're on the list,
Okay.
that's fine. If not, you need to do something about getting on that list for tomorrow.
Okay, I have already done my community service, but I will try to talk to James and see if he can update it.
Okay, be safe.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Mr. Larkin, who is your attorney?
Ms. Harris, Your Honor.
Ms. Harris?
Yes.
Mr. Ball. Morning. Morning to you. Who were you here on?
Jawan Lloyd.
Jawan Lloyd, he never.
He never appeared, okay. His phone number doesn't work. So.
Both the
Morning,
officers.
Good morning.
Both
You guys
the
have a
officers
great day
appear.
then.
I'll give him 15 more minutes or so, but
Fine.
if he comes, I'll get in contact with you.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Have a
All
good
right.
one.
You take it to your wife. I said hi.
Okay, I will.
All
Thank
right.
you. If she would tell you.
I'm sure. Ms. McCartney,
Yes, Your Honor.
you're back.
I know my phone it's moving really slow. I'm trying to get into Judge Wagner's courtroom.
Okay.
Sorry.
Be safe.
Yep.
All right. Are we ready on Grant, Mr. Miller, or do you need to speak with her?
No, we're ready to go. Yeah.
All right, you need to go breakout room 5, and I'm trying to pull her out. She's not paying attention, I don't think. Here she is. Let's go back on the record with Miss Allison Grant. Mr. Miller, I've given you an opportunity to pre-try the case. What does your client want to do?
Judge, after speaking to Assistant City Attorney Miss Horn, we've explained to her what's going on, and she has requested that I provide my reciprocal discovery to her, and she's going to send me what she has. We're asking for a 30-day adjournment on this.
You want a trial or a pre-trial?
Pre-trial should be fine, Judge.
All right, pre-trial is going to be July the 9th, 2026 at 8:30.
July the 9th. Let me see here. Judge, that should work. Thank you.
Very well. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you both.
Have a great week, Judge. Thank you.
Thank
Yep.
you.
You're welcome. All right, I'm just waiting on attorneys. Ms. Villarreal, if you want to leave, you can. We'll get back in touch with you if your client appears. I don't believe that they've showed.
Right, he's an hour late right now, so I agree with you, Your Honor.
Touch back bases anytime.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
I think we can get rid of Gully. Is Jamita Gully here?
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Where are you? You need to turn the camera on. Everybody needs to turn the camera on when the name is called. Your attorney is who?
I didn't have one.
You did. You should have. How do we
I
find out
had
who
two
Mr.
different ones.
How do we find out who Mr. Jelly's attorney is? I don't think we need him, but. All right, let's call it, this is the city of Detroit. Versus Jamita Gully, case number SP 183-8663, counts 1, 2, and 3. Ms. Gully, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Jamita Gully.
All right, Ms. Gully, today is the date and time is set for a trial. And Officer Hall, Dayrail Hall did not appear. I'm going to dismiss your cases, ma'am. I do wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day. Okay?
Thank you so much. You enjoy your day too.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
No, forget it now.
So-
Forget it, yeah.
Okay. The attorneys are supposed to file appearances. They're not.
I can see that.
Anyway. I have to call somebody.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Goodman. Mr. Goodman, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We are respectfully requesting that the court would reset this to a pretrial, as he does have his appointment with the Secretary of State tomorrow at, I believe it's 4 p.m.
Mr.
And
Goodman,
the city does not object to that.
Mr. Goodman, come back on July the 9th. Wish you the best of luck on the license. All right, July the 9th at 8:30.
Thank you, sir. Have a great day.
You as well. Have a better one.
Excuse me, Your Honor. What date was that again?
July the 9th.
July the 9th. Thank you very much.
All right. You're welcome. Let's go back on the record. Well, let's call the city of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Javon Edward Lagarde, case number SP 19004851. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Javon Lagarde.
All right. Good morning to you. For purposes of arraignment, counselor,
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
and we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lagarde, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. He has not had an attorney appointed to him. Put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Lagarde, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
All right.
Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gooden Gray. Mr. Gooden Gray has a valid driver's license, Mr. Barrett.
Ooh.
Sorry, Your Honor. I'm here. Yes, sir.
Your Honor, the matter's off docket.
Failure to stop at a stop sign.
Yeah, failure to stop at a stop sign. Yes, Your Honor, we need a trial date.
All right, that's what you want, Mr. Gooden Gray?
Yes, sir.
All right, come back on July the 13th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
All right, you as well. Thank you, Your Honor.
City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Nancy Gonzalez Elizondo. Case number SP 1850512, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gonzalez.
Nancy Gonzalez Elizondo.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Day is the date and time. It's set for a trial. Officer Zeman, good morning to you. Can you state your name, department, and badge number for the record, please?
Officer Zeman, badge 2650, Detroit Police Department, 4th Precinct.
You have to turn your camera on, please. Good morning to you.
Good morning to you, Your Honor.
Morning to you. Today is the date and time set for the trial. Ms. Gonzalez has a valid driver's license, Mr. Berry. Ms. Gonzalez, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Have you had a chance to speak with the city attorney, Ms. Officer Zeman?
I have not yet. I was in the breakout room speaking to her.
Join that room now. She's in the She's in the room one. Rejoin room one and speak to her.
Okay.
Let's pass the matter. Mr. Berry,
Yes, Your Honor.
she has a valid license. You can go speak to her. I don't know if you're
Yes.
if you're gonna wait on the city attorney or not.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lagarde. Mr. Lagarde, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are requesting that counsel be appointed.
All right. That's what you want, Mr. Lagarde?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to give you a pretrial date of July 9th, 2026 at 8:30. I'm going to ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on that date, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, do you have any further questions, sir?
No, Your Honor.
All right, July 9th at 8:30. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you as well.
All right. Mr. Taylor, are you there? What is he doing?
He was just in here, Your Honor.
Yeah. I'm gonna take this privilege away.
Yes,
All right.
sir.
Mr. Taylor,
Yes, sir.
the only room that you are allowed to go into is the one your client is put in, and I'll let you know that, and breakout room 4.
That's where I was, Your Honor.
No, you weren't.
I was just in 4.
Mr. Taylor, I'm not gonna sit here and debate with you. You were not in room 4.
Okay.
That's why I pulled you out.
I was just talking to the prosecutor, Your Honor.
Bye.
Thank you.
Find him another attorney. I'm sick of him. Ms. Paris,
Good morning, Your Honor.
good morning to you. Who's your client?
I have Terry Larkin and Autumn Gillum. Both are set for bench trials today.
Terry Larkin is here. I'm gonna put Terry Larkin in 5.
Okay. Is Miss Gillum, has she checked in yet?
I have not seen Gillum.
Okay, I will reach out to her and then go speak to the prosecutor. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Yeah, it doesn't matter to me.
You want to replace him, Judge?
Yeah, I'm just sick of him.
He's
Tell,
the defendant's name.
no, just no, we'll let him finish these. I don't want to make him.
Okay, all right, scratch that.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gonzalez. Ms. Gonzalez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, the prosecutor indicates the officer has no recollection and approves dismissal.
Okay. Case is dismissed, no recollection. Ms. Gonzalez, if it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, you too.
Thank you.
Your Honor, can I get back into the breakout room? My client called me. Miss O'Neill knocked me out.
All
And
right,
you was
let's
right,
call
Your
that.
Honor.
Let's call.
Yeah.
No, let's call that. This is the city of Detroit versus Alexis O'Neill, case number Z8097851. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Edward Taylor here on behalf of Alexis O'Neill. Miss O'Neill, would you introduce yourself, please?
Alexis O'Neill.
All right, day and time set for a review. I have a report here that says Miss O'Neill has failed to report for urinalysis screening for all tests, with the last non-reporting date being reported as June the 10th. So we got problems.
Yeah, Your Honor, if I may, Miss O'Neill was in a relationship, an abusive relationship. She had to go to the hospital. Her ex-boyfriend got out of prison, beat her up. So I think she's better now. So we would like to get an extension, and I'll defer to her why she didn't test. But I know that was one of the reasons, Your Honor. She indicated to me.
Is that why you didn't test, ma'am?
My face was swollen. My nose is broke.
All right, when did you get in? When did your ex-boyfriend get out of prison?
Like May, like the beginning of May.
No, the problem with this is that we've been having back and forth all day, all the time with you.
I'll be better in a minute anyways. I'm in school and everything, and I got to take care of my kids, plus my health. And like my whole face was swole. I didn't even look like, you wouldn't even want to see how I looked in.
No, I'm talking about our history, ma'am. Our
Oh,
history.
no.
With your
No.
attitude. Wait a minute. With your attitude, with your lack of accepting responsibility and all of that. That's been from day one. And I'm sorry to hear about the domestic situation. That shouldn't happen to anybody.
No.
And I hope that you, I don't know if we have any resources for that. We can definitely look into that. Is that under control now?
My face still got to heal. Like our plastics team had to come
Talking
look at
about
my
your
nose.
appearance.
So
I'm not talking about your
I
appearance,
know, I'm
ma'am.
telling you. I'm talking to you. If you let me finish, I'm going to tell you, yeah, after I heal, I'm going to be better. And yes, I'm going to start testing. And I'm in
You're not
school, like I
answering
said.
my question. You're
Huh?
not answering. Listen to my question. Is your domestic situation better? Have you removed yourself from that abusive situation?
Yeah.
And when have you removed yourself from that abusive situation?
I got to go to the detectives. I got to go press charges. Like,
No, I'm saying, when are you out of the situation? Are you out of danger?
Yes. Now.
And when did you remove yourself from that situation?
Recent. He just got out, like I said, June. It's June now.
Your Honor, if I may.
No, hold on a second. Hold on, please. Hold on.
Okay, all right.
He got out in May. Is that correct?
Yeah. The end of May, yeah.
And you
It just,
were
like I
sent,
said,
wait a minute,
I'm gonna let you finish. I hear you.
you gotta let me finish.
I hear you.
You
I
don't
said I
talk
hear you.
until you don't talk until I let you talk.
I'm just saying.
Excuse me, Miss O'Neill, when the
You got
judge is speaking, you be quiet. Is that understood?
That's understood. I say yes.
you got out and you got on this bond in February 13th. That's when the conditions, well, you were always under conditions to test, but by February 13th, you were sentenced. That's long before this person got out of prison and you were in this abusive relationship. And from what I'm reading here, you've never tested.
That's a lie.
All right, get the probation department in here, please, and we're gonna clear this up.
O'Neill, okay.
For O'Neill. Let's pass the matter.
Your Honor, could I talk to the people, please, for Ms. Geiger?
Ms. Geiger, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 6. Ms. Harris, do you have anyone?
I do not, but I do need to speak with Ms. Golson. I was appointed on that case.
Go ahead, you can take her in a breakout room.
Okay, just wanted to check first.
Absolutely. Okay, Mr. Berry, do you have anyone?
We've done Ms. Gonzalez. I don't think I have anyone. I don't have anyone, Your Honor.
Last one. All right, now let's do, I don't think Ligon has an appointed attorney. This is the City of Detroit versus James Douglas Ligon. Case number.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning. Case number SP 188-1324, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 188-1330, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Ligon.
James Douglas Ligon.
Ligon, I'm sorry.
No problem.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time is set for a trial. Officer Bush did appear. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room and we'll pass the matter.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me.
Mr. Lowe, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Turn your camera on.
I was trying to see if I'm waiting on my attorney or.
In here with the tank top on, sir. Go put a better shirt on, please.
might need to speak with the city attorney, but I can start on someone else while I wait for her to finish up with officers.
I don't think we have many more that are, okay, you can take Mr. Lowe as soon as he gets his proper attire on. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Antoine Lowe. Do we have Lowe's file? Maybe I didn't find it. Case numbers SP 11567801, SP 17535119 counts 1, SP 17863305 count 1, SP 181191 counts 1 and counts 2, SP 18119411, SP 185774 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 185773 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1874790 counts 1, 2, and 3. State of Michigan versus Antoine Lowe. Case number SX 4653538 counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Lowe. Please state your name for the record.
Antoine Jamon Lowe II.
24. I think that we need to call some of those other cases. Let's call SP 1753519 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1753716 SP 176873001, SP 1786305 counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1796277 counts 1, 2, and 3. All right, today is the date and time is set for a trial / formal hearing. Everybody, all the officers except Mullins, BYLSKI, Joshua, and everyone else has appeared. And McCombs, Officer Eric McCombs. Mr. Lowe, I'm going to put you in breakout room 3. Ms. Harris is going to try to work it out for you. To keep in mind, if you don't like the offer she brings, today is the date and time set for the trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
All right.
Neil's probation officer is on there.
Yes.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Call Attorney Carpenter, please.
Is that Ed Taylor, Judge?
Yes.
Your Honor, can I go back to the people again, please?
Call Mr. Bachman. I'll give Mr. Bachman.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Officer Nelson, just checking back in.
Okay. Good morning to you. Are you still in the room, Mr. Taylor?
No, sir. I don't have.
No. We're going to talk about Alexis O'Neill, I think. Corporal Rule Goodman is coming back. He's going to get a valid license. He's supposed to have an appointment today.
Okay,
All
so
right.
we're all set?
Yeah, we're all set. Be safe.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Alexis O'Neill. Probation Officer Boyd, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Serena Boyd for probation.
Okay, we're on here with Alexis O'Neill, and I got a message from you indicating that you have not. Can you explain that to me so I understand what we're
Yes,
dealing?
of course, Your Honor. Ms. O'Neill has been more than vocal with the challenges of her completing the probation term imposed by you, Your Honor, on February 12th of 2026, as far as financially, the urinalysis, challenges with transportation, and unfortunately, we don't have any progress on this particular probation matter. We don't have any progress since the last review date, Your Honor.
Okay, so since the sentence was imposed, there's been no testing?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, Miss O'Neill, you indicated that that's a lie.
My thing is, she wasn't my probation officer before. I was coming down there when I didn't have to pay. Now I have to, and if I don't have no money, what do you want me to do? I don't know what to do.
I'm asking you about testing. Yeah, you're supposed to be testing. Wait until I finish. You're supposed to be testing twice per week. And from February 13th until today, the probation department has indicated to me that you have not tested at all.
I'm waiting to see if I could talk now.
Is that correct?
I said I had a different probation officer. I was coming
I
down
asked
there
you,
to
is that correct?
36 district
Answer
court.
my question.
Okay.
Have you tested any time from February 13th until now?
Yes.
Okay, where did you test?
36 district court.
Miss Boyd. Do you have any record of Miss O'Neill testing between February 13th and now?
I have a test from 36 District Court for February 9th, positive for THC, which she previously tested for her pre-sentence investigation. And Your Honor, quite honestly, I would have to check, but that is the only test that I have. Miss O'Neill, sorry,
please.
I can't hear.
Please check, because she indicates that she has tested between the February 13th and now.
Okay, Judge, I could check if there's any testing from February 9th until now. If you could just give me just a second, Judge, to log into their system. Thank you.
Six, I just sent that.
Your Honor,
Yes.
could we confirm that Mr. Ligon has a valid license?
Did you run that?
Excuse me, Mr. Berry.
Just a moment.
Judge Perkins?
Yes.
Excuse me, I'm sorry. I checked the database. I didn't see any testing from Miss O'Neill. Did she have a date? Possibly I could go down and maybe speak with the staff at the lab that she came. Because I've checked their database. She's not listed except for just the 9th.
All right, Ms. O'Neill, what day did you test from, from any time, February 13th or thereafter? What date did you come down and test?
They had switched it over to, I forgot when they switched it over because I was just coming down there and I had a different probation officer. That's why I'm getting confused. Like, I don't just like what?
Ms. O'Neill, Attorney Taylor?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. O'Neill can either admit to not testing and we'll do that, or we can hold a hearing and determine whether, I'll make a determination whether she tested. I need to have a test today. You need to get down, your client needs to get down to the 36th District Court today and test.
Very well.
All right.
Ms.
How
O'Neill,
am I going to do that?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
All right, well, if
Ms.
not,
O'Neill.
if we're not gonna get her testing, we're gonna have to up the bond on her. I'll put you in a breakout room with her.
Okay,
Please.
no problem.
All right, join the room. Let's pass the matter. Did you speak with Terry Geiger?
I talked to Ms. Geiger, but I need to talk to the prosecutor, Your Honor, on that one. What room are you putting us in, Your Honor?
Terry Geiger's in 5.
No,
and
prosecutor's in 4. Okay.
In 4.
And where's Ms. O'Neill going?
She's gonna be in 8. She's in 8.
8. Okay, got it.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Lorme Diaz.
How you doing? Very good.
With Cecilia, and we're training her.
Good morning.
She's also an interpreter, medical interpreter.
Okay, good morning.
But if you have an interpreter here, like Emma or.
Yes, well, we had Ms. Villarreal, but we don't have any clients today. Tomorrow is a good day.
Tomorrow's a good day?
We have all mostly Spanish-speaking population now.
We will be here tomorrow, then, if that's okay for you?
Absolutely.
Okay.
My pleasure meeting you. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.
Thank you.
All right. All right. As far as the license, yes, it is valid, Mr. Berry.
In light of that, Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer.
All right, hold on. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Ligon. All right, go ahead. For the purpose of giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel. Counsel, what is the offer?
The offer is to enter a plea to the improper equipment charge, the remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea in your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
All right, with that, I'm going to find your client responsible as to the amended count. I mean, as charged, not to the amended count, as charged to the improper equipment. Mr. $120. Mr. Ligon, when can you pay?
After the 27th of this month.
You want to pay it by the 30th?
Yes, sir.
Pay it by the June the 30th. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too, Your Honor. And thank you, Mr. Berry.
Are we ready on Mr. Larkin?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, City of Detroit versus Terry Larkin, case number V13291-825, SP 156-88121, and SP 186-73931. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sania Paris, P88615, here on behalf of Mr. Larkin. Mr. Larkin, please state your full name.
Terry Everett Larkin.
All
Your
right,
Honor.
good morning. Detective Greeno was here. Talib was here. I don't think I saw Officer Maya.
Yes, Your Honor, there has been a recommendation set forth at this time that Mr. Larkin would like to take advantage of. Specifically, he's going to be entering a plea to the illegal dumping with a delayed sentence of 3 months. And then for the firearm ordinance for discharging within city limits is a 12-month delayed sentence, of course, with the gun safety class, and then the no insurance would be a dismissal.
So I find $500 the maximum on both of those.
Understood, Your Honor, and I did speak with my client about that.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Parrish went over your other advice of rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, she did.
And you understood those rights?
Yes, I did.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, I don't.
Do you know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
And has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right. Let me draw your attention back to March the 2nd, 2026, around 8:22 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Sanford Street and Gunston. Did you have an occasion on that encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
And did you what did you do?
I discharged my firearm in my backyard. It had got jammed, and I didn't want to try to jam it in my house, so I took it out back.
How does that happen?
It double fed, and I didn't want to try to discharge inside the house. I was afraid it might go off inside the house, so I took it out back and aimed it to the ground.
So you intentionally pulled the trigger?
Yes, because I I didn't know what to do.
Why? I didn't ask you why.
Hmm.
Is that the way you're supposed to clear a jam firearm out?
It double fed, Your Honor, and I got
Ask me that. Answer my question.
No.
How are you supposed to clear a firearm out properly when it double feeds? Do you know?
No.
Have you taken gun class at all?
Back in the past, but it was with a pistol.
All right, I'm gonna find him guilty as charged. Let me draw your attention back to March the 12th or March the 3rd. Let me make sure I get the date right.
Mm-hmm. Hello?
Yeah, I'm here. Hold on a second. Let me draw your attention back to March the 12th, 2025 at around 7:03 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of East State Fair. Were you in that area around that date and that time?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what did you do on that day?
Was dropping off a couch to be picked up and never did. And I went back. After I was informed that no one came and picked it up, I went back and picked it up.
What's that 11371 East State Fair?
A corner. Just an old neighborhood. There's a junk
So
guy.
let me stop. Let me stop.
Okay.
Whose couch was it?
It was a couch that I had got from an old abandoned house.
And what were you going to do with the couch?
I was gonna just throw it away, but I ran to the junk guy.
Why were you in the old abandoned house?
We were cleaning out a house for a friend of ours.
Okay. So you expect me to believe where was the abandoned house?
The house was on the west side off of Cheyenne and Finkel area.
Okay. So you expect me to believe that you took a couch out of an old abandoned house on the west side of Detroit and carried that couch all the way to the east side of Detroit, thinking that it was just going to be dropped off and somebody was going to pick it up?
That was somewhat the order.
Or you cleaned out the house and you intentionally went over there and disposed of this on 11371 on the corner in an old neighborhood where you can dump, where you put this out, where you found it was a good spot just to throw this out. And then once the police got in contact with you, you went over there and tried to rectify the situation by picking the couch up. Which one was it?
Rectify the situation by going to pick the couch
The second one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, all right. You see what I'm saying? I'm finding him guilty as charged. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. The gun story is ridiculous. The dumping is just getting out of control. And you live in the city of Detroit. Do you want that stuff in your neighborhood?
No, I don't, Your Honor. That was bad.
$500 for both of them. 12-month delay for the gun. It's too old for this, sir. I could see if you were 20.
Right. It's bad judgment, Your Honor.
12-month delay. And I'll give him the month delayed on the illegal dumping. Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
I need a 12-month date, Ms. Newton. I'm gonna cut you a little break and I'm gonna give you instead of 3 months, instead of 1 month, I'm gonna give you 3 months.
Thank you, Your Honor.
June the 17th.
That's the first date, June 17th, return on June 17th. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. Told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone. I don't think I'll have to worry about you doing this again. I hope I don't.
Nope, 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 nope. Nope, it won't happen again.
Conditions, if you pay it and you don't do this again, then we'll dismiss the cases. On June 19th, I'll dismiss the illegal dumping. And what is the other review on the other one, Ms. Mathis? I'm sorry.
June the 17th, 2020.
June 17th, 2027. Gun
Hello?
safety course. And I'm done. I mean, I can't say anymore. I believe you accept the responsibility. I don't think it's gonna happen again. I hope it doesn't. But
Nope. Your Honor, I may have to ask the court. I need time to pay. I just started working again, and I need some time to gather up money to pay.
All right, come back in 3 months. That's 3 months.
Okay, I'm just making sure that we're on the same page.
We're on the same page. Come back in 3 months. I mean, listen, I'm not trying to make this where you're burdened and you can't take care of your family and your situation. Come back in here and make a substantial effort to get this paid. I want you to get back on your feet with your job, make a substantial effort, and we'll talk on September the 17th. All right.
That will be done.
I wish you the best of luck, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor. Bye-bye.
Anything else, Ms. Paris?
Nothing further for Mr. Larkin. I do have a question about someone else.
Okay, who's your other question? Mr. Larkin, be safe. Have a very good rest of your day. You're free to leave.
For Miss Gillum, did Michael Gordon, the officer, check in?
I don't know. I didn't see a Gordon. I don't believe. No.
Okay, I spoke with the prosecutor and she's indicated that she hadn't seen that officer either. The issue is that Miss Gillum is not here and her device is disconnected, so I don't have another way to reach her. She would be a dismissal. Is the court? I'm sorry.
Talk to the prosecutor.
Okay, I talked to her already, and she told me to come talk to you or the court.
Well, what position is she taking on?
She said she didn't have an officer, so she can't proceed on it.
Oh, no, but you're asking another question. The question is whether she's gonna stipulate to a dismissal. That's the question. That's the issue now.
Right. So, and I guess you're saying stipulate to it, but without Miss Gillum being here.
Right.
Is what you want me to go back. I understand. I'll go speak to her.
All right. Let's get Terry Geiger. Speak to Terry Geiger.
Judge.
Mr. Dupree. Mr. Dupree, good morning to you. Who's your client?
I've got Deandra Guy, Judge. I just need to talk to her in the breakout room, and I've been trying to prompt her. Miss Guy, could you please accept the prompt to join a breakout room?
I'll put her in. Yeah, I'll put her in. 9.
She just went, Judge. Thanks, Judge. Sorry to interrupt.
Mr. Tucker, good morning to you. Who's
Your Honor, I was told to return back to the courtroom.
Did you have someone else? I believe, didn't you?
No. There was Eric Leonard, but he was told to come back on July 6th.
Okay. All right. That's it. Okay. Let's go. All right. Sorry about that then.
Okay.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lowe. You have to wait on Ms. Harris.
Madam Clerk.
Ms. Mathis?
Yes.
Yes. My client Autumn Gillum just reached out and said that she's here. Do you see her in the waiting room?
I don't.
Thank you. Who said she's, is
Your
she
Honor,
dialing?
I'm sorry, it cut out. I didn't hear you.
I don't see her in the waiting room.
She might be in the wrong. Check and see which courtroom she in. She might be in our old courtroom 434, because they tend to not have a docket. They only have like a 130 docket.
Okay, let me see. Maybe she went there. 1 second, please.
Your Honor, can I see the prosecutor, please, again?
Mhm. What's his name?
I got things.
Oh, you want to see? Let's get this from.
I'm gonna be.
I'm serious.
I believe you.
Is that Autumn Gillum?
Yes, sir.
Good morning. This is the city of Detroit versus Autumn Joy Gillum, case number U63025-422. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sania Paris, P88615, here on behalf of Ms. Gillum. Ms. Gillum, please state your full name.
Autumn Joy Gillum.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Day is date and time set for a trial. Officer Gordon didn't appear. Go ahead, counselor.
Yes, Your Honor. At this time, the officer has not appeared, and we are moving for dismissal.
Case dismissed, Ms. Gillum. Best of luck to you. I'll waive the warrant fee. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you so much, sir. You too. Bye.
All right, Ms. Paris,
I'm all set for today. Have a good one.
have a better one. I'll waive the warrant fee.
Thank you. I appreciate you.
All right, Mr. Lowe, I'm waiting on Ms. Harris to come back.
Attorney Harris is here this morning.
Check Harris, yeah. About time she came in.
Hey, I was saying that y'all called Jawan Lloyd.
Yeah, we're waiting on your attorney. He came in, but you weren't here.
Okay.
You got to turn your camera on when you're speaking, sir.
Okay.
I texted him and told him you were here.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, I'm gonna take a few minutes recess. Recess, Judge.
What is in recess? Please mute your devices.
I talked to Did I get what?
Nothing, I didn't go to bed.
You go there early?
My sister and her fiance.
Okay.
Hello? Hello?
Take a recess.
Okay, all right, I'll be back. All right.
Okay, let's call the city of Detroit. Oh, wait a minute. Where's where's your attorney? He must have fallen off.
You want me to open, let me know when you're ready for it to start recording, Judge.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, let me turn it back on.
No.
No, not you, Mr. Lowe. I'm still waiting on Miss Harris for you.
All right.
Miss Guy. You spoke to the city, you spoke to your attorney, right, Miss Guy? Well, I'm just waiting. Mr. Barry, you don't have anyone else either, do you? I don't know what's up with Mr. Baughman.
You know, maybe you can record.
Baughman. Yeah, we've been trying to get in touch with you. Mr. Lloyd is here.
Are you there?
Yeah, Mr. Lloyd is here.
I'm on my last case on the record with Judge Griffin. I'm
Oh,
gonna zoom on right now. Is that okay?
yes.
All right, thank you.
All right, Mr. Lloyd, your attorney is here. I'm going to put, good morning, Mr. Baughman. I'm gonna put Mr. Lloyd in breakout room
He doesn't call the case number.
5.
Yes, Your Honor, thank you.
And both officers, I believe, did appear.
I got a message from Ms. Horn that Officer Crawford did not come in.
No, he did appear.
Okay. Well, I'll go meet with the city attorney and I'll be right back.
I could turn on like when he started calling the case numbers.
All right, are we ready on low? Can we turn it back on?
Ready on Lowe and ready on Golson.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Antoine Lowe. I see that you worked out something there, Ms. Harris.
Yes, Your Honor.
And that is an expired plate.
There's 7 counts that he will
Turn your
either
background off,
enter a
Mr.
guilty
Lowe.
plea or admit
Go ahead.
responsibility. 1 count of improper plates, 1 count of failing to display, 2 seatbelt violations, 1 blocking traffic, 1 improper equipment, and 1 expired plates. 7 matters.
So, improper plate 1 time, failure to display 1 time, 2 seatbelts, 1 blocking traffic, 1 expired plate,
And 1 improper equipment.
and 1 improper equipment. You want to take the deal, Mr. Lowe?
Yeah.
Gotta talk up.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Lowe?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, the improper equipment, okay, on the 1, all right, stipulate to the faces of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible pleas on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Lowe, please. Sit up, sir. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense? Misdemeanor offenses are 93 days in jail and or
Yes.
$500 in fines.
Yes, I do.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, she did.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to January 23rd, 2026 at around 4:55 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Otter Drive and Gratiot. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
January.
January 23rd, Otter
Yeah,
Drive
yeah.
and Gratiot.
Yeah.
Or is that your 2014 Dodge you were driving?
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license and insurance?
Yes.
You couldn't do either, could you?
Not at the time.
And why is that?
Cause I ain't had a license or insurance.
Ma'am, you can't give him the responses though.
Who is that in the background?
Nobody gave me no responses.
Who is that in the background?
We can hear it, Mr. Lowe.
Who is that in the background? All right, he's coming in person. Come on in person, sir.
When?
So we're gonna have you back on Thursday. Are you here, Miss Harris, on Thursday?
No, sir.
What day are you here, Miss Harris?
Ain't nobody even telling me
This
what
week?
to say.
We can
All
hear
right.
all of what you're saying, even the
Nobody
language.
saying
We can
nothing.
hear
Nobody
all.
giving me what to
It's
say.
not,
She's
it's
just
not
saying
up
her
for
own
it's
thing.
not up for debate. Excuse me, Mr. Lowe. It's not up for debate. You're coming in person.
All right, I can come there in person, man.
All right. What day are you here, Miss Harris? I don't
I would
necessarily
have to,
need,
It's
I don't
I would have to
necessarily,
ask.
lawyers anyway.
pardon me?
What date?
Y'all still, who is in the background? I asked you that.
That's me.
No, who is in the background? I'm gonna ask you one more time.
I got a lot of people in my background.
All right.
My cousin sitting right here, my little sister sitting right here. Like, what's the problem? Why can't I have nobody sitting right here next to me while I'm on court?
It's not that, Mr. Lowe.
She's not
Mr. Lowe,
saying
we can hear
nothing.
the,
They
but
having their
we can
own
hear.
conversations. You listening too hard, bro.
All right.
The
Come
judge
on
ain't even
in.
saying that. The judge can't even hear him. You supposed to be my attorney, right?
I could hear him, and you're running your mouth too much. I could hear him. June 11th. Come in June 11th.
Thank you.
What is today?
Yeah, today is June
Let's go.
16th.
Let's go June 18th on Thursday at 8:30. All right.
All right.
June 18th, Thursday at 8:30. We'll continue it from there.
All right.
All right.
Judge Dupree is ready on Guy.
Have a good day, Mr. Law. I'll keep
You
this
too.
over here.
Thank you.
Schedule?
No, it's because it's too much to enter. All right. Dupree is ready on Guy.
Yes, Judge, I'm sorry, I wasn't paying attention.
All right, let me get Ms. Golson out of here. Let's call the city of Detroit versus, is Golson gonna be a plea? Ms. Harris?
No, Your Honor. It will be set for a trial date.
Let's call the city of Detroit versus Brittany Golson, case number V132344623, V132344723, V132348823, V132344923, V132350023, SP11343331 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP1312052 counts 1 and counts 2. SP168403661. SP1723662 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP1787111. SP1862923 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP1862961. SP1876117 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP187612331. SP1884204 counts 1, 2, and 3. And 1945805541. Appearance for the record, please.
My name is Brittany Golson.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Golson, Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a trial date.
Okay, trial date is going to be July the 13th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Ms. Golson, have a rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Your Honor, could we have,
What date?
please, and thank you.
What date?
Could I have anything after the 13th? Well, actually, could it be the 20th, the following week?
July the 20th, Ms. Golson.
Okay, thank you.
All right, best of luck, please. This is the city of Detroit versus Deandra Adele Moniz Guy. Case number SP1838261 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP1838263 counts 1 and counts 2. SP1870110 counts 1 and 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Deandra Guy. Oh, sorry.
Go ahead, Ms. Guy, say your name.
Deandra Guy.
All right, good morning, Ms. Guy again. Mr. Dupree, put your appearance on the record, please.
Certainly, Your Honor. Good morning, Matthew Dupree, 0132, attorney for the defendant.
All right, day is date and time set for a trial. We did have both the officers appear. What does Ms. Guy want to do?
Judge, as to Officer Whitehead's tickets, we do have a resolution. That's SP 18386. Wait, I'm sorry, SP 1838261 and SP 1838263 and 2. And that resolution is for the defendant to plead responsible to an amended count of blockading and as charged to expired plates, with the other tickets of Officer Whitehead being dismissed. With regards to SP 187-01101 and 2, those are going to be separated off, and the defense is requesting an adjournment for an in-person trial, as we do plan to hold a trial on those matters, and there will be a civilian witness.
Ms. Horn, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303. Yes, we are trying to bifurcate the cases of Whitehead and Nelson's ticket and move forward with an in-person trial on the leave the scene in favor to report accident tickets.
See, I had this on in person already.
Judge, there was some amount of confusion. The cases got initially bifurcated, then we were trying to bring them back together. I apologize to the court, but I do think this needs to be an in-person hearing. It's just with a civilian. If it was just officers, Judge, I'd say we could just do a Zoom trial, but there's a victim in this case that needs to testify, and it just seems clunky to do that via Zoom.
You want to take this deal, Miss Guy? Today's deal, that's a blocking traffic.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis
Yes,
for the
sir.
responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, but those stipulations, I'll find you responsible to the amended count of blocking traffic, $175, and expired plate. I won't fine you for the expired plate. Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of those other matters on that.
Yes, Your Honor.
On that group of tickets. All right, trial date, when I have July the 13th.
Just check that date, Judge.
All right, now you're gonna have to come in now, Miss Guy.
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, I am scheduled to be out of the state on the 13th. Is there any chance it could go to the following week?
The 20th?
The 20th would be perfect, Judge.
July 20th, Miss Guy, at 9 a.m. trial.
Thank you.
And I'll put the review for that by July 20th as well. Can you pay that $175 by July 20th?
Yeah. Yes.
Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse, pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. All right, July 20th. Best of luck to you at 9 a.m.
Judge, there is one matter I'd just like to put on the
Hold
record.
on. Go.
Your Honor, the defense did file a witness list in this matter, and I will be serving on the prosecution within the next few minutes a subpoena for a witness, Diamond Monique Alvin, and in accordance with MCL 767.40A, requesting that the state serve this witness. Because it's the victim, Judge, I think it would be more appropriate for service to come through the people than the defense.
Ms. Horn.
Will do, Your Honor. I'll wait for that documentation to come over, Mr. Dupree, as the people are prepared to equally want this witness here.
All right, that's it?
That's it, Judge.
Very well. I don't need to do anything else then, right?
No, Judge.
All right, best of luck to you both. Have a very good rest of your day. And Ms. Guy, I'll have a good day, Ms. Guy.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All
Thank
right,
you, counsel.
Welcome. Let's go back on the record with Ms. O'Neill. Ms. O'Neill, Mr. Taylor, I need your client here.
Ms. O'Neill?
Yeah.
Testing.
Okay, she's there, Your Honor.
All right, so let's get you down here today. Let's get you tested, Ms. Boyd. Ms. O'Neill, I'm not going to continue to now. What I'm going to say this to you. I'm going to say this to you. I do feel that you've gotten better with your attitude from the day you came in here till now. I do feel that way. But Ms. O'Neill, you have to understand, you pled guilty to this. You did this. These are the conditions that everybody has to live up to. And you're expected to live up to them too. I'm trying to work with you as best I can. I understand you have kids, I understand your financial situation, but it's just some things you're gonna have to do. And you're gonna have to make it get done to get this over with. Okay?
Okay.
Now, do you need some mental health services or anything like that?
For what?
You
No.
say you're a victim, that you got into this
Yeah.
very difficult situation and stuff.
Yeah, I know. Who wants to wake up with their face swelled up from a man hitting them? I'm a female. I would never think.
I know that, Miss O'Neill. That's why I'm asking you, do you want us to see if you can get some mental health services for it?
I'm okay. I'm just my babies. I'm just gotta be here for my babies.
All right. So you got to get down here today, ma'am.
Yeah.
I need you down here today. I need you testing. Miss Boyd,
Yes, Your
do
Honor.
you need to talk to Miss Boyd and get in touch with Miss Boyd?
I got her number, but yeah.
All right. Get down here today. We'll have you back on Thursday to see what those test results were, and we're going to get you back on track, ma'am. Is there any financial resources that the court has so that we can help her out on testing?
Your Honor, I could, if you sign an order or you put it in the system that you're waiving her testing fees, I could give it to the director here and they can waive her fees, Judge, but it has to come directly from the bench. I don't have the authority to do that, Judge.
All right, I'm gonna waive the fee today. And I'll sign whatever order necessarily to be signed, but it's on the record. I'm gonna waive the fee today. I need you to get down here, Miss O'Neill, and I need to see you back on Thursday, okay?
Okay.
All right, all right. If there's nothing further, Miss O'Neill, I hope that there's no alcohol in your system now. And I hope that we can move forward. I think it's gotten better. I think it's gotten better. And I want it to continue to get better. And I want to see you put this behind you, all right?
Yeah.
All right, all right. Next pretrial is gonna be, next review is gonna be Thursday at 8:25, and that's via Zoom. Well, as long as let's via Zoom, all right? Let's via Zoom.
That's fine.
All right? And come down today and test. I wish you the best of luck, Miss O'Neill. Very good. And I'll see you on Thursday.
Yeah.
Okay.
Your Honor, may I speak to Ms. Geiger? She doesn't seem to be in number 8.
Thank you, Your Honor.
6. You're welcome. Thank you, Ms. Ward.
6, okay. Thank you.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Like when I had first met you, like I was in a better situation. So I was diagnosed with bipolar and stuff like that. And I lived in Illinois for like 8 years and 10 months. And I came back here and lived back in Michigan. And like the voices and images went away, and like my life got better. It's like I was talking to the judge, like for disabilities, I receive SSI income, and she was letting me know that I don't need to be in no jail, no prison, no mental institution or anything like that. Because actually, with my SSI income, I have to renew it every for 3 years. It was like a phone call and like something like a Zoom, like how this is like with the disability like psychiatrist or something. Like I forgot what he was like. or something was. Yeah, so like, that was like last year, I think, when I renewed it. And she was saying like I need to be in a nutrition like anything like that. Like, cause I like went to the hospital, to the clinic, like, probably like 2 days ago or something like that, for like my fallopian tubes, and then the doctor there, because I didn't actually assign, I live in Inkster, and they assigned it for in Taylor. They sent my information to my mom to Taylor. Like, first of all, like my sister had called, texted my phone after I had met you, and we're not close to each other. Like, she's like, thinks she's like a violent person. Like, the system considered me not violent, a violent person. I don't even have any child children yet. I plan on it. And I was letting you know that we're not close to each other. Like, I was just talking to my mom. She said something about like selling shoes. It just be like running about threatening me for no reason. That's why I'm in here. Like, I feel like safe in here. I don't feel safe around them. So I would just be hanging out with them. And it's not safe to be around me. It's changed. We're not close to each other. And like, I went to doctors, because I be riding the buses and trains and stuff like that. Like the bus that came late or went early, so I called my mom and I said I need to go to the hospital. Bus came early, came to pick me up, because like the doctor's office in Taylor, I would have went to the one in Inkster. I just changed it, and then she said something. The doctor said something that I had to go to a mental institution or something for my SSI to keep it, and then Cassandra, I think that's her name, the judge. She said I don't have to go to the institution. I was just only would need to go like to a clinic or something like that to like keep updates of like my status of like my health and stuff like that. And like she like tried to offend me about it and stuff like that. I was just letting you know like that. Like, I'm just here like observing. I don't want any issues or problems or anything like that.
Okay, you don't have any problem. All right, let me get this, these individuals out of the way. All right, city of, we ready, Mr. Boffman?
Ready, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit. This is the city of Detroit versus Jawan Joshua Alvin Lloyd. Case number SP 160-99402, 164-58001. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please the court, Harry Boffman, P55052 for the defendant. Give us your full name, sir.
Jawan Lloyd.
So the defendant is going to enter into a plea agreement here today, Your Honor. He's going to plead to one count of the driver's license offense, and that will be reduced to failure to display a valid driver's license. And the open alcohol driver will be reduced to disorderly conduct. He is advised of his rights and is ready to give you a factual basis to accept his.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Lloyd?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
And you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Boffman went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Questions about those rights?
No, sir.
By taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to August the 16th, 2024, around 9:12 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Plainview. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you in a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Alcohol in that motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Was it open?
Yes, sir.
And was there some alcohol in that container?
Yes, sir.
All right, find your client guilty as to the amended count of disorderly conduct. $240 is going to be the fine. Let me draw your attention back to November the 15th, 2024, around 2:36 p.m., city of Detroit in the area of Tyerman and Westwood. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license,
Yes, sir.
and you couldn't do so, could you?
No, sir.
Why is that?
I'm in the process of working on everything.
Because you didn't have a license, right, Mr. Lloyd?
Yes, sir.
Very well. Find him guilty of the amended count of failure to display. I'm not going to fine him for that. Just 240. You owe some other civil infractions. I'll waive the warrant fees. When can you pay the 240, sir?
I just had started working yesterday.
I'll put on your July 26th. I'll even mark the file, allow payment plan.
Okay.
July 26th, pay it by July 26th, or get into a payment plan. You can pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload to DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse, pay it in person. There are other ways to pay it, but those are the two best ways. If there's nothing further, Mr. Lloyd, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
I appreciate
Congratulations on your job, sir.
I appreciate that.
All right, have a great day.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you, Your Honor. You have a great day.
All right, have a good day.
Staff. Bye.
Are we ready on Tony Geiger?
Yes, sir. Your Honor, we're going to seek an adjournment on that.
For what's the purpose?
I got the discovery, but they only gave me open intoxicant. I talked to the people, they got about 3 or more charges on there, like nitrate and all that. I never got that. And she said they were not hers, so she doesn't want to plead to that, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Tony Geiger.
Now, go in the microwave.
It's background noise, ma'am. City of Detroit versus Tony Geiger, case number SP 1866702, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, P57166, appearing on behalf of Tony Geiger. Ms. Geiger, would you introduce yourself, please?
Tony Geiger.
Yes. Your Honor, I had an opportunity to talk to the people. I thought it was just 1 count of open intoxicant, but they added a couple other counts, so I'd like to get the discovery on that and where I can discuss it with Ms. Geiger if I could, Your Honor.
I'll reset it for, what was that date you had?
August 14th, Your Honor. I think, well, July 14th, I'm sorry. July 14th. Trial
is reset for July 14th, 2026 at 9 a.m.
All right.
There's nothing. Geiger, have a very good best of luck to you.
All right, I guess that's Ms. Geiger. All right, bye-bye.
Okay. I think that will